So today I'm going to be wrapping my head to go to work. I have not really ever shown anybody how I wrap my hair. Sometimes I do it differently, so today I'm going to be doing it differently. I'm going to be using Karina Marie's beautiful scarf. Like, her sister do this, inspired by women, all kinds of women of different shades, hairstyles, and colors, so always a plus. My hair's been out for a week now, not even, but I'm gonna put it up because we're doing some very deep cleaning at work today, and I don't want any kind of crazy dirt inside of it, even though the curls are not as defined as they should be. So I'm gonna put it up in a bun, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the bun, and then I'm gonna wrap it around here. So wish me luck. This hair is not gonna fit like that. So see, I got my bun, all cutesies, mostly cutesies. If I was running late or not going to work a little later, we would have probably stayed just like this, and my head probably would have hurt like all day. Hopefully my head doesn't hurt all day, but we're gonna try how to figure it out. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna do this situation. My hair's just 1,000 times bigger than it used to be. Like, I look at myself sometimes and I'm like, why is your hair so big, dog? Not why, but like, how did we get to this? Oh, see, let me make this even a little bit. How did we get to this big hair moment, you know? But I know exactly how I got to this big hair moment. I just like to question my life. All right, so I kind of have a knot situation happening here. We hope it turns out good. We hope so. It's either this or the bun, y'all.
Somebody magic coconut oil. So literally just bounce that girl on my edges. Sometimes I be pulling them out, but not too much.
A little brush. I just hope it stays on my head, because I'll be in the middle of the day like, I'm gonna take this shit off my pocket. I'm gonna take this shit off. And that's the thing, like, I'm not scared to take that shit off my head. Like, even this side, oh, not a lot. We doing that? And I did it. And I didn't know I could do it. So. And of course, I gotta wear my big hoopies. And that's how I wrap my head.